Hi everyone, my name is David and let's look at what's new in the latest update in Camtasia for Windows 2022.3.0 that was released on 15th October 2022. And the new features include rulers and guides. It's now possible to add rulers and guides, and this is highly welcome. So you have the ability to show or hide rulers to the canvas, ability to add vertical and horizontal guides to the canvas by dragging from a ruler, added ability to remove guides from canvas by dragging back to the ruler, added ability to remove guides using context menu, and added ability to snap media to guides. And this is really awesome, especially if you want everything that you're putting on the canvas to look the same or the way you want it to look. Really awesome. We also have some few feature updates. Cursors, added smooth across edits, toggle option to cursor properties. Really awesome. Added cursor image keyframe indicator, glyph to the timeline media. That's also very awesome. And then we also have another exciting one for transitions. There is added user configurable attributes to 72 transitions. This is really awesome. Also the canvas, we also have a new zoom level, and you can increase the scale range of canvas zoom up to 2000%. So this DPI aware adjustable canvas. This is really awesome. Reverse video, added ability to reverse audio streams within video media. That's also highly welcome. We also have media replace, ability to drag and drop from media bin and library to quick properties of assets in the properties panel. So as for the export option to allow GPU encoding for MP4 output in the modern exporter is available now. So you can select the GPU to render a video, whatnot. So that's awesome. And then as you'll notice, it's a beta feature and will be tagged as such in the user interface. And then for certain hardware configurations, enabling this feature can potentially result in a modest increase in performance when exporting a video. The supported configuration will be pretty narrow at first and hopefully expand over time as we learn more and develop the feature. So they've also removed a production wizard. All export options now flow through the modern export experience. So the old-fashioned way of us customizing, which I really loved, is gone. And then there are a couple of bug fixes. So let's look at the rulers and guides, how to add rulers in Camtasia 2022.3 and beyond. So this is the free version, the free trial version. I just want to test it out and see if it works. So these are canvas. To add rulers, go to view, show canvas ruler, or press Ctrl+Shift+R. Click on that, and you'll now have rulers available right here. So these are your rulers and guides etc. So let's drag some media on the timeline right here. Now for you to add the rulers, all you need to do is just hold your left click on a section here, just drag your ruler where you want it, click again, drag another ruler where you want it, let's say maybe somewhere there. But you can also use these indicators here to let you know where you want. So let's say we want this at around 300. So as you adjust, you can see 300. This is at 0. There goes 0. And then you can get another one. Just clicking there. Bring this one to negative 300. There we go. And then if you want the side ruler, just click on that. Bring it, let's say, to minus 600. Click here. Move this to this section, maybe at 0. And this other one as plus 600. Looks good. Really awesome. So now you have the rulers right there. If I can actually remove this, you'll see them looking something like that. So you've added that. It guides you on what you might want to do. Maybe you wanted to attach maybe something and be specific. It snaps maybe to something like a grid right here or a ruler. So it actually snaps on that, and that is really awesome, because you're going to know exactly where your media is. Even if you're actually going to create a couple of media and add all over, they're all snapping to the rulers and grids that you've set. Really awesome feature. So that's the rulers and guides. To remove, maybe you want to remove this ruler, you can just bring it up to that section, or actually let's press on Ctrl+Z. Actually Ctrl+Z doesn't do anything, but let's just bring it back down to about 300. Right click on it, remove ruler guide. If you want to remove all of them, just right click, remove all ruler guides, or use Ctrl+Shift+R to hide everything from view. So that is the rulers and guides etc. So let's look at the next option. We can actually remove this and then we can just add this media onto the timeline just as it is. Remove all empty tracks, and then with our media selected, we can actually just come up to transitions, and let's say maybe we want to add chevrons. So once we do that, it's going to add to let's just add chevrons. Let go adds to all media. Really awesome. So when you come to the front here and play this video, chevrons, the transition for chevrons is what runs through. But what's interesting now is that you can change the look and feel for the different transitions, up to 72 transitions for different options. Click on this and you'll see the properties. Now you can change the color so that it suits your needs, maybe your branding, etc, and so on and so forth. These are just random, and you can see how they look like. Very different from the original, and you can also flip vertically so that if we go like this, they go up. Really, really awesome. We can also try maybe something else. Maybe for this particular section, we can go maybe with something like, let's go with something like animated mosaic. Just drag and drop that there. Click on it. You'll see the properties somewhere here. Just click on the transition. You might need to zoom in slightly. Click on it, and then you can see the option, the count. You can reduce it. You can reverse whatever, use trimmed content or not. Just bring it up to where you want it, and then you can actually play. That is what it looks like, and so on and so forth. So those are the few notable features that probably might benefit you in your workflow. The ability to add rulers and guides, and then finally, as I've mentioned, this is a free trial. So if we go to export local file MP4, I'll get the notification I need to purchase whatnot, but let's say produce with watermark, and now we no longer have the other options that we had, but we can now use this. You can look at the dimensions, encoding, and now you'll see use GPU encoding, and this is in beta. You can learn more. Let's select that, and then if you're satisfied with all the options, click export, and if you have a name, replace etc, and so on and so forth. I'll need to test it on a bigger project to see if there's any big difference or if it's utilizing the GPU on my laptop. But the fans have kicked in as usual, but I'd love to see, is it any faster than probably other items or other applications that I've used. So I'll have to check on that. There we go, it's done, easy peasy. But simply put, that's what's new in Camtasia 2022.3 as of 15th November 2022. I hope this video has been of value to you. Thanks for watching.